It was autumn when we first passed down, and the rains fell cold above a coastal town. We were closer when I wrote this down. You would pace the floor, we'd mapped it out. Was it sun that you noticed? It was sun we should notice. Autumn light